गोवा कॉम्बॅट 2022 आयज सुरू जावपाचें आसा. खेळावीर रिंगणात झुजपाक तयार आसात. काल वेव्हिंग इन पुराय जाल्ल्यान आयज सांजे वेळा 5 वरांचेर श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियम ताळगांवां मॅची सुरू जातल्यो. पळोवया कालचे कांय देखाव.
Here and check the weights and see what is the weighing they have as of today. All right. Let me bring in the upcoming pride of Goa, Sohaib Khan from Goa. Please make some noise and bring in Sohaib.
Shoaib, what is your confidence level ahead of this biggest ever MMA as being promoted?
It feels great, man. It's happening in my state. Back then, 2 years back, nothing was happening, and now it's all over the roof. And I'm so confident. I'm just waiting for Saturday.
I want to be a world champion, and I'm damn sure that I'm going to be a world champion because I'm working every day very hard to get there. And Goa Alpha even support me a lot in this one because this is the biggest stage I have ever had fought. Right, I'm going to fight. Okay, so I think Goa Alpha will promote Indian MMA and get to a new MMA face for India. I think.
Okay, so
College, school,
जब दोस्त लोग कुछ लफड़ा होता है तो तेरे को बुलाता है.
Yeah, आगे रहता हूँ. नहीं हाथ से हाथ काफी अभी. नहीं कुछ भी नहीं. All the best.
He's saying all the best to you.
All the best. No.
He says there's no compromise here. I'm not here to make friends with you. I am just going to break your leg tomorrow, right?
You're going to win tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Yeah.
I like.
First round, second round, which round? First round, second round.
Knockout. How many rounds?
Ding ding, 1 or 2?
2 rounds.
देखते.
2 rounds.
Okay.
He's saying 2 rounds.
और आपको क्या लगता है?
देखते कितने राउंड में करते हैं.
स्ट्रीट फाइट में राउंड थोड़ी होते हैं. जल्दी खत्म हो जाए.
नॉक तो होऊंगा नहीं.
I just want a good fight, and audience should be thrilled with our fights. Okay?
Okay.
He says audience should be thrilled with our fight. This is not a film, right? Where you ask him to do it the way you want to do it.
We will make a video shoot of that. Don't
Okay.
worry. Thank you him. I'm
तो आप
going to act.
इनके वीडियोस आपने नहीं देखा था?
Yeah.
इनके वीक पॉइंट्स क्या है, स्ट्रांग पॉइंट्स क्या है?
I had watch, I had study around and work on it also. So
हाँ.
let's see what will happen. I think it will be a knockout.
एक सांगू सोदता हांव. खुबशे लोक म्हाका मेरी वळखना आसतले. After this fight, you're going to like me, for sure. For sure, you're going to like me. I'm not underestimating, no? I'm not saying to my opponent. But after this fight, you're going to like me, people. For sure. Mark my words.
Some action, guys. Some action. Come on.
Guys, look at this camera.
Come on, some action. Make some noise. Come on. All the fighters, some action, please. Please, some action. We're not here for a wedding photo. We are here for a fight. Make some action. Come on. Let's go.
Practice